Hello everyone, welcome back. Today again we'll start with a new chapter, that is chapter 7, that is untouchability, a social evil. Okay, so there are many social evils which are in existence in our country, okay, and which are mostly the outcome of caste system which is there in our country. Okay, and so untouchability, okay, it is considered as an evil because it creates disunity among people, because it creates differences among people. Okay, so when we say caste system, okay, it means discrimination, okay, based on caste. Okay, and it is also considered as an evil. Okay, and mostly these untouchable belong to a group of people which were known as shudras. Okay, these people had to do work which was not liked by people, okay, such as removing human waste, okay, as well as sweeping, as well as washing clothes, as well as cleaning shoes. These were all the dirty jobs, okay, all the dirty jobs were being done by the shudras, okay, who were considered as the lowest caste in the caste system. Okay, so when we can trace the root of untouchability, okay, if we look back into the history. Okay, so during the Vedic times, okay, there was a division of society. Okay, there was a division of society. Okay, so you have the human body. Okay, so division was made accordingly. So the first group of people were the Brahmins, okay, who were considered as the priests, okay, or who were highly qualified. Okay, and next we have the Kshatriyas, okay, who were considered the shoulder in a human body. Okay, so these Kshatriyas were the rulers, the administrators. Okay, they were the one who fought battles. Okay, they were warriors, they were from the warrior class. Okay, and also they protected the kingdom. Okay, next we have the Vaishyas. Okay, so the Vaishyas were known as the artisans. Okay, the group of people were artisans, as well as they were tradesmen, merchants, farmers, as well as they were mostly important in the economic sector. Okay, and next we have the Shudras. Okay, they were considered as manual laborers. They did all the dirty things which people did not like to do. Okay, so this was the division made, okay, during the Vedic times, and it continued on. Okay, and it even touched the present, okay, the present modern era as well. Okay, moving on. Okay, the first topic for today is manual scavengers. Okay, what is manual scavengers? Okay, manual scavengers are those work, okay, where a human being will go and remove human excreta, okay, or remove um, the septic tank. Okay, simply we can say that people who go and remove the septic tanks, okay, are called as manual scavengers. Okay, so we can check it out here. Okay, are those people who go and clean human waste. Okay, this is called as manual scavenging. Okay, so people who do this kind of work, okay, usually they are not allowed to enter the temples because it is considered as a holy place, and also because of their work, okay, they are considered dirty. Okay, and they are rejected in the society, and they are not allowed to draw water from the common water tanks or from the common pipelines. Okay, because if they touch or if they draw water from there, then they think that the water has been polluted. Okay, so they cannot go and draw water from the upper class tank, okay, from the upper caste tank. Okay, because they feel that the water will become contaminated, will become impure, okay, which will affect them as well. Okay, and these manual scavengers are known by different names in different regions. Okay, in Gujarat it is known as bhangi. Okay, and in Tamil Nadu it is known as shikalair. Okay, and this manual scavenging, okay, it is a very dangerous work because people might get infected. Okay, actually people are supposed to wear gloves. Okay, they have to wear rubber boots. Okay, as well as they have to put on masks, protective gear. But in India we see that people do not use any protective gear and they go on cleaning this septic tank and human excreta, okay, which makes them have diseases, okay, such as skin diseases. They have breathing problem, okay, and they have other gastrointestinal diseases. Okay, so it is a very dirty job, okay, which is very harmful and hazardous to human beings as well. Okay, so what happened is, okay, law of manual scavenging. So several laws have been implemented in order to remove manual scavenging. Okay, and Mahatma Gandhi, okay, also played a very important role because he was the one who brought light, okay, into the people who were doing manual scavenging. Okay, but it took some several years for laws to be implemented in India. Okay, so the first point, okay, what happened is in the year 1933, okay, the employment of manual scavengers and construction of dry latrines Prohibition Act was passed. Okay, so according to this act, okay, according to this act, okay, it forbade, okay, it did not agree with the employment of manual scavengers. Okay, so they did not allow, okay, for the employment of manual scavengers, and also they did not permit, okay, construction of dry toilets. Okay, dry toilets were not to be constructed, okay, according to this law. So if anyone is found employing manual scavengers or they are found making dry latrines, okay, then what happened is they will be persecuted. Okay, they will be dealt with the Prevention of Atrocity Act of 1989. Okay, they will be dealt severely, okay, by this act. Okay, secondly, we have in 2004, okay, what happened was the Supreme Court, it received a petition, okay, a written petition which was filed by the Safai Karamchari Andolan. Okay, according to this Safai Karamchari Andolan, okay, it issued notices to the center and state as well as union territories to end the practice of manual scavenging. Okay, so it gave a notice, okay, or it issued a notice, okay, that no one is supposed to practice or do manual scavenging. Okay, if anyone is found, then they will be penalized. Okay, so this notice was not given only to the center, okay, it was given to the center as well as the states, or to all the states of India and the union territories. And the last point, okay, what happened was the Supreme Court, okay, which is the highest court in India, it passed an interim order, okay, where it gave to both central and state departments, okay, to file an affidavit, okay, that within 6 months they should check whether, okay, they should check whether the people, okay, are practicing manual scavenging in their state or in the center. If anyone is found practicing this manual scavenging, then they should be given a certain time and program should be implemented in order to rehabilitate, okay, in order to find new ways of introducing toilets, not using dry toilets, okay, and not implementing manual scavenging. Okay, so a new program should be rehabilitated, should be introduced, so that people would be able to do, okay, where people's health would not be harmed. Okay, next we have Mahatma Gandhi's role in removing untouchability. Okay, Gandhiji, who played a very crucial role in fighting for the independence of the country. Okay, he also acted as a social reformer. Okay, and he tried to end untouchability. Okay, even in his virtue of satyagraha, he implemented that untouchability should be removed. Okay, unity should be there in India. Okay, and so with this, okay, he made great effort in order to eradicate untouchability in India. He also gave these people, okay, the untouchables, the name of Harijans, okay, which meant children of God. And he also tried to be with them, okay, try to learn what they were going through. He went with the untouchables and then he called them Harijans, okay, as children of God. And he, along with the Harijans, he started cleaning toilets. He also stayed with the Harijans, okay, in their colonies and shared equal meal. Okay, whatever meal the Harijans were having, Gandhiji also enjoyed with them. Okay, so Gandhiji's followers organized public dinners with the Harijans. Okay, so what happened was Gandhiji was trying to promote unity among the people of India, okay, in order to remove untouchability among the people in India, because Gandhiji thought that it was necessary in order to unite the Indians. Okay, so Gandhiji also played a very crucial role in removing or in the eradicating of the untouchable. Okay, moving on. Okay, some efforts were made, okay, against untouchability. First, okay, was the introduction of right to equality. Okay, so according to the constitution, right to equality was granted to every citizens of India. Okay, and according to it, no citizen in India would be discriminated in terms of their caste, in terms of their color, in terms of their sex or religion. Okay, and next was reservation of seat. Okay, seats were being reserved for the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe. Okay, because these were the group of people who were minority. And so what happened was, according to our constitution, reservation of seats were also made compulsory. Okay, where these minority people would also get advantages in the society. Okay, next was the introduction of Article 17. So, okay, according to the constitution, okay, untouchability has been abolished. Okay, and if any people is being found practicing untouchability in any area, okay, then they would get a punishable offense under Article 17. Okay, so these were the laws which were being implemented in order to uplift the condition of the untouchables. Okay, so next is the introduction of Article 25 clause 2b, okay, which states, according to this article, okay, any Hindu religious institution, for example the temple, okay, the temple of worship, okay, should be open to all castes. Should not be for the upper class, should not be for the Brahmins, should not be for the Kshatriyas. Okay, it should be open to all the castes and the sections of the Hindu community. Okay, and next is the protection of civil rights, which was introduced in 1955. Okay, so it declares, okay, practicing or breaching of untouchability in any area or any locality would be punishable, okay, according to the Civil Rights Act of 1955. Clear? And the next is the Scheduled Caste and the Scheduled Tribe Prevention of Atrocity Act 1989. Okay, so this act was introduced in 1989. So any kind of discrimination or hatred, okay, which has been imparted against the depressed class, that is against the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe people, then they will be dealt with severe laws according to this Prevention of Atrocities Act of 1989. Okay, next Okay, we have forcing of scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, okay, member to eat or drink inedible stuff, okay, so will be punished as well. Okay, forcing any scheduled caste or scheduled tribe forcefully to eat something or drink something, okay, which are not consumed or eaten by people, okay, then these will also be penalized. Okay, next is dumping waste, feces or any other obnoxious matter in the premises of a neighborhood of a scheduled caste or a scheduled tribe. Okay, so anything, okay, because a lot of people are being discriminated. Okay, so what the higher caste do is they leave garbages, they leave dustbins, okay, everywhere near the scheduled caste house resident or the scheduled tribe residents, okay, which shows clear discrimination. Okay, so these will all be penalized, okay, under the Prevention of Atrocities Act of 1898. Okay, so next is wrongful occupation and or cultivation of land owned by the scheduled caste or the scheduled tribe. Okay, so anything which is owned by the scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, okay, if the higher class try to change that, okay, then they would also be penalized. Okay, interfering in the enjoyment and rights over land, premises of water, scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, okay, they are free to use water as well as the land that they own. Okay, no one can come and then chase them away, no one can come and then tell them that they cannot use this water. Okay, so this will all be penalized under the scheduled caste, okay, under the Prevention of Atrocity Act 1989. Okay, and deliberately insulting a scheduled caste or a scheduled tribe person in public, this can also be penalized. Assault or use of force, okay, to outrage the modesty of women belonging to the scheduled tribe and scheduled caste. Okay, any kind of discrimination which is made against women, okay, which are from the minority groups such as the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe, they would also be penalized, okay, because of this. Okay, so what is going on is different kind of laws are being implemented in order to better the condition of the untouchables. Okay, so the government is also doing its crucial role in trying to transform the Indian society into a better society. Okay, so what they are doing is they are trying to transform the society by implementing many laws as well as protection acts, okay, in order to prevent and protect the untouchables or the minority group in India. Okay, with which we come to the end of this chapter, and this is the syllabus for your final exam, so note it down and start studying from now. Thank you and have a nice day.